Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you in how I can fix auto typing keyboard or typing wrong letters on your keyboard. First is you need to make sure that your keyboard is not physically damaged or the physical keyboard is not damaged, because for sure that will not work. Then you have to change the physical keyboard. But if the case is it is not on the physical keyboard, then you need to go on to this next method. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and you need to type device manager. Click on device manager under the best match. Now here in the device manager window, you need to locate the keyboard. So this is where you can find your keyboard driver. Now this is your keyboard driver. Simply make a right click and then select update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed, and close this window. And then your hardware settings have changed. You must restart your computer for these changes to take effect. You need to click on yes. But if the first update or automatic update doesn't work for you, then go back to the same device manager window. Click again on the keyboards, make a right click on your keyboard driver, select update driver. This time we need to install it manually. So browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Then click on this driver, and if you have more than one driver from here, then you just need to choose one by one as to what driver will work for you. Then click on next. Now, Windows has successfully updated your drivers, close this, and then you have to click on yes, and your PC will be restarted. And after that, you just need to check. But for the last method is we need to go back to the same device manager window. Then you have to click again on keyboards. Now make a right click. Then you have to select uninstall device, and then you just have to simply click on uninstall. And after uninstalling the keyboard driver, you just need to simply make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign it, and restart your Windows, and that will automatically reinstall the keyboard driver into your Windows, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.